So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates and do all the updates that your computer may have. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in mail. You want to right click on it and then click on app settings. And then you want to scroll down and then click on terminate. And then you want to click on reset. And click on reset again. Wait for this to load. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. Now I'm going to leave two commands down below in the description. You just want to copy and paste both of them. So for the first one, just do Control-C and then Control-V and paste it right here. Click on Enter. And now for the second one, Control-C, Control-V, paste it. Click on Enter. Now you're going to wait for this to load. Now once you've done this, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.